Hello children, today we will be coming to the chapter knowing a little bit about measurement and how the different units of measurement came into existence. Let us start with measuring length and distance. It is said that long ago people used to use the length of the king's foot to settle the arguments about how long or wide something was, so that everyone would know how long his foot was, and the king passed out the sticks of the same length as his foot, and these sticks were known as the ruler's foot or the rulers. Then about 200 years ago, someone decided that the measurement system would be better based on the Mother Earth than on some king's foot. So using mathematics, they figured the distance from the equator to the North Pole, and which was thought of millions of kilometers maybe. Then children, the answer to that division problem was named as the meter, and the system is known as the system international or the metric system, which we usually call, or that is a whole system of measurement that was developed with the meter as its basis. So coming to know a little bit about length and distance, children, it means length or distance means basically how far from here to there is. So the units that we use for either measuring the length or the distance is kilometers, meters, centimeters and millimeters. Millimeters being the smallest unit and kilometers being the largest unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 of a meter. So, and suppose we take the example of kilometers, the distance between any two cities can be measured in kilometers. Then in meters, suppose we take the length of a school bus, say about it is about 10 meters. And 1 meter is equal to, we know, that is 100 centimeters. Centimeters is even a smaller unit which we take to measure the length of a pencil, an eraser, maybe the length of a handkerchief. And millimeters is the smallest unit where suppose we can find out the width of a dime, it is say about 1 millimeters. Then children, some rulers start, we need to know how we need to measure a thing, particular thing, with the help of a ruler or a scale. Some rulers start at the very end of the stick and others have a small space before the actual ruler starts. Here the picture shows you, children, two rulers. Okay, here the first one you see is not having the zero reading, starting directly from 1, whereas the second one you can see we have a zero reading. Okay, then suppose we take how to measure the length of a fish. Then how long is the fish in millimeters? So you need to take from the starting point of the scale, how many centimeters is that. In the same manner, suppose we need to find out the length of the butterfly wings. The butterfly wingspan is dash millimeters, or maybe the caterpillar's length in millimeters. Okay, then what is the length of this paper clip in millimeters? You can see, children, the measurement is starting from the numbering 1 and going till 4. It is going from 1 to 4. So what is the length? Here is a little pop quiz as we finish discussing the measurement of the length. In pairs, measure your height with a meter stick, or maybe how tall you are in this metric length, either in meters or centimeters or millimeters. Millimeters will become a very small unit, but it is okay if we do with centimeters or maybe meters. It comes to suppose 180 or 190 centimeters, like that. So this is all to give you just an idea of distance, children, and length. Thank you.